My vision for the future is that we see ourselves as organisers, managers, administrators and innovators and entrepreneurs. I believe that the skill set that women have that we've failed to shout from the rooftops about is that we are excellent organisers. Our ability to organise and our organisational skills are innate within us. They come from being women. And I think once we harness the power of the knowledge that we have about agriculture and rural enterprise, along with the innate skills that a woman has, I think it's a fantastic recipe for great success for women in agriculture and rural innovation. Hello, my name is Blátnaid Gallagher and I am from East Galway. I farm near the historic village of Ockham. I'm also the co-founder of one of Ireland's first wool producing cooperatives, and we harvest wool from the native breed of Ireland, which is actually called the Galway. Well, I believe that since a very early age, I've had an interest in agriculture, and I always wanted to live, even though I was born and reared in Galway City, I always wanted to live in the countryside, to be close to nature and to be close to farm animals, food production, and in my case, wool production. My parents were hugely inspiration to the journey that I've taken. They both came from rural backgrounds, yet they grew a family of 7 children in a city. But they never left their ties with rural Ireland. And they always encouraged us to come back time and time again to our roots. I have a Master's in Agricultural Innovation from the National University of Galway. I also have a long history and experience in sales and marketing, product development, product management with Novartis, one of the largest agri-pharmaceutical companies in the world. At a young age, I studied agriculture and then I took an under degree in agricultural business. So what I did is I harnessed the power of human collective. I created one of the oldest established business entities in the agricultural sector throughout the world, and that's what we call a cooperative. I was always mindful from the very beginning of the start of this project that I would work with farmers and get them to work in unison with one another. And the innovation practice that we have is that we harvest this wool in an industry that is currently in crisis throughout the Northern Hemisphere. Wool currently is regarded as waste material in Europe, and it's been dumped. It's been classified as worthless. It's been classified as waste. And I decided that I needed to take a stand, that I had experience in business, that I had a very good network of people, that I was now living in rural Ireland, and that I had an ability through my experience in the defence forces here in Ireland to be able to get people together and unite them in one cause. And that was to ensure that wool producers and farmers in Ireland were actually going to receive what I regard as a very fair and equitable price for their biofibre. I believe that this project, even though it's in its infancy, will serve and act as a pilot project for farmers throughout Europe who know themselves that the biofibre that they grow on the land from their soil is as good as any other biofibre in the world. Networking and learning from each other, peer-to-peer learning, peer-to-peer support, peer-to-peer motivation. These are the reasons why I'm so happy to be part of the FLIARA project. I want to learn and I want to share my learning experiences with other women in rural innovation and in agriculture in general. It's very important to me that we get an opportunity to listen to one another's stories, to learn from one another's experiences, and to take guidance from project managers here so that they can show us where we need to go and the inspiration that we need to be to fellow ambassadors, to fellow innovators throughout Europe, be they female or male. My experience with FLIARA this far has been wonderful. I've met some really incredible people. I've shared their energy. I've felt their passion. I've been motivated by the work that they have set out and the achievements that they've attained to date. My vision for the future is that we see ourselves as organisers, managers, administrators and innovators and entrepreneurs. I believe that the skill set that women have that we've failed to shout from the rooftops about is that we are excellent organisers. Our ability to organise and our organisational skills are innate within us. They come from being women. And I think once we harness the power of the knowledge that we have about agriculture and rural enterprise, along with the innate skills that a woman has, I think it's a fantastic recipe for great success for women in agriculture and rural innovation.